Welcome to the Introduction to the ECo PPR Toolbox training. This is an overview of all the research tools that we will use in the project. Our goal is for you to become familiar with how all the research activities fit together, even if you may not be involved in every activity directly. First, a brief overview of the project. ECo PPR stands for Epidemiology and Control of Peste des Petits Ruminants. It is an interdisciplinary research project spanning 6 countries with the goal of supporting PPR eradication efforts worldwide. No wonder we need a large toolbox of research tools. The data collection framework shows some of the research activities. Baseline studies are cross-sectional and will be completed early in the project. Other activities such as flock dynamics are longitudinal, and yet other activities such as outbreak investigation may happen at any time throughout the project. The research activities are designed to support the listed outputs, which you can see here on the screen. Next, we will describe the core research activities briefly. When starting fieldwork in each study area, the first activity is to carry out key informant interviews with local veterinarians to get basic information about diseases, services, and stakeholders in the area. The next step is the community meeting. The goal is to learn basic information from small ruminant livestock keepers. Several meetings may be conducted per country to learn about each distinct study area. This is a qualitative research activities, and answers will be open-ended, but guided by a team of facilitators, note-takers, and translators. During the household survey, questionnaires will be administered to a man and a woman from each household whenever possible. The survey, like many of our tools, is programmed to be administered electronically on a tablet. The flock examination, sometimes called flock observation, is administered with the household survey to understand flock composition and current disease problems. Participatory disease surveillance, or PDS, is a set of activities that can be initiated at any time throughout the study in areas where PPR is suspected to be occurring or recently occurred. When a suspected PPR outbreak has been identified, outbreak investigation is carried out to collect data and samples for laboratory confirmation. The market survey is used to understand trading practices and market networks. The market survey has 3 parts, but can be conducted during a single visit. The 3 parts are key informant interviews, interviews with buyers and sellers, and observations of the market and the animals being bought and sold. Flock dynamics is a longitudinal survey with a subset of households that participated in the household survey. We ask questions about sheep and goats entering and leaving the flock to understand flock composition over time and the risk of disease introduction and spread. Gender research is integrated into multiple tools to identify gender-sensitive barriers to vaccination and opportunities for disease control. Qualitative activities will be used to better understand the themes raised in the findings of other tools. Group model building will be used to understand the socioeconomic impact of PPR and identify intervention points. These activities look similar to community meetings or focus groups, but are facilitated by a specially trained team, which includes modelers. Based on the findings of the baseline studies, a vaccination preference study will be carried out to learn about preferences for different types of vaccines or delivery systems. This activity will be tailored to fit the needs of individual countries. For additional information, please refer to our other training materials and the ECo PPR Field Researcher Manual. Thank you for listening.